Credit Repair Cloud features, strengths, weaknesses. Credit Repair Cloud, CRC, is a business-in-a-box software solution specifically designed for individuals and entrepreneurs looking to start, scale, or manage a credit repair business. Key features include client management tools, credit report importing and analysis, dispute letter generation, automated workflows, affiliate management, a built-in CRM, and comprehensive training resources. CRC essentially streamlines every aspect of operating a credit repair service, from onboarding clients to tracking progress and generating revenue. This platform is ideally suited for credit repair business owners, credit repair specialists, financial advisors wanting to add credit repair to their services, and individuals seeking a structured approach to managing their own credit repair process. A major strength of CRC is its comprehensive nature. It provides all the necessary tools and training to launch and grow a credit repair business, even without prior experience. The automated dispute letter generation, integration with credit report providers, and CRM functionalities significantly increase efficiency and allow for managing a large volume of clients. The affiliate program is also a strong point, enabling users to generate leads and expand their reach. However, a weakness of CRC is its pricing structure. It operates on a subscription model, which can be expensive for those just starting out or with a limited number of clients. While the platform offers various pricing tiers, the cost can still be a barrier to entry. Another potential drawback is the learning curve associated with mastering all the features and functionalities. Although CRC provides training resources, fully utilizing the software's capabilities requires time and effort. Furthermore, some users have reported occasional issues with customer support responsiveness. Despite these drawbacks, Credit Repair Cloud remains a powerful and comprehensive tool for anyone serious about building a credit repair business or managing credit improvement efforts. Its robust feature set, automated workflows, and extensive training make it a valuable investment. However, prospective users should carefully consider their budget, technical proficiency, and commitment to learning the platform before subscribing. Weighing the cost against the potential benefits and considering alternatives is crucial for making an informed decision. Ultimately, Credit Repair Cloud offers a complete solution, but its value is dependent on the user's specific needs and business goals.